Good morning, everyone. Tom, aka Nostradamus. I am the Bommus. How's everyone doing? No, right. Friday. Don't make any decisions today that'll f up your weekend. I gotta say, there was a lot going on this morning in the Discord. Oh, this is when I'm gonna be available. Talk about this. Talk about that. Blah 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 blah. I show up. There's one person in the house and 0 likes. Come on, what is going on here? All this. Are you kidding me? All right, we got a lot going on today. We're gonna talk about. We'll take a quick look at the stock. Actually, I don't know what we're gonna do this morning. You guys tell me. When you want to talk about quant, we're gonna talk about quant. We're gonna take a look at the markets. We're gonna take a look at crypto. I want to take a look at Evoverse. Kind of wanted the stream this morning to be a quick one, so I can get a Walmart trip in this morning. I do got quite a bit I got to do at work today. All right, let's pop on over to the desktop. What? What? Oh, no, no, no. Ding, 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 just a few seconds late. Ding, 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 ding. All right, the stock market is actually, it was down this morning. The futures were down this morning when I first got up. Crypto was doing pretty good. It started pumping again yesterday. There's some retail numbers that came out or something this morning that were really good. Stock market likey, as Tommy Boy would say. All right, the Nasdaq's up 130-ish. Gold continues to go down. It's about to go down below 1,700. Oh, Peter Schiff, you're just not having a good week, my friend. Let's see. Stock futures rise. Strong retail sales number. Is this going to be the start? Retro in the house. All right. Retro is telling me what we're going to do. Quant, Evo, oil. Yeah, no shit, man. You guys are like demanding things over here. I still 0 likes. I'm just gonna shut down the stream. No, we're back to threatening to shut down the stream for likes. All right, real quick. Let's look at the stock market. Let's look at crypto. We'll get to quant very early. Farnswoggle in the house. You need to know about quant. All right, we'll get to quant within the next 5 or so minutes. No problem. I just kind of want to go through my normal paces here. Let's see, the dollar. I want to short the dollar. You know what? I think I'm going to send some money over to this account so I can start doing more over here while we wait for this crypto. While we wait for this turnaround. You liked this hours ago, bro? I didn't even create this stream until like an hour ago. So actually it was about 45 minutes ago is when this stream first went up for to even be able to like it. So the fact that you did it hours ago is impressive. Good thing I took off that oil play yesterday. That's going back days ago. All right, bonds. Actually, let's pop on over. Actually, I gotta go through my positions real quick. Everything pumpy. Tesla up. That's widening on me. It's going the wrong direction. My Riot looking pretty good. My Coinbase, no like pumpy. We got 35 days to go on that. This is a can't lose trade with Coinbase going up though. This is a first world problems. 100 shares. I bought it $70. We got a lot of credit. The only way this loses is if Coinbase goes down, but we'll collect premium. Lowering my cost basis. All right, let's pop on over to, look at this, Quant. You quant be serious. Come on, guys. Yeah, I mean, my title alone is worth a like. Actually, let's see if Capo, he just said had to have a good weekend. I think he's shutting it down for the weekend. He's not making any hammer calls. All right, let's pull this over. Bitcoin, when Bitcoin's, oh man, Bitcoin's over 21,000. FOMO arigato, Mr. Roboto. FOMO. 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 I'm getting that crypto FOMO right now. Is the bull market back on? We have one, two. I mean, we have a triple bottom here. We do have a triple one, two, three, triple bottom. Is that signs of reversal? Pi bottom. The pi bottom. What's the? Can I do one more, or did they limit this now down to just one? Look at that. I mean, ugly. You never. The last time we saw Bitcoin this far, I don't think we've ever seen it this far below, have we? 45%, 47. I think it did go lower during the pandemic. No, it's about the same. A lot of things are lining up. This could be a bottom. I mean, I wouldn't if Capo sees the right things going on, he can reverse too. So I don't know, man. Like worst case, can we get it? Will there be an opportunity to get it cheaper? I'm still kind of holding on for that, but honestly, like, I mean, if you're not trying to be perfect, not financial advice, this is a good time to start buying. Again, it could go down another 50%. Who the hell knows? But TLT, what's TLT doing? It's up, man. Bonds are up. Bonds are saying the market is like, I don't know, there's some website you can go to and the market's saying there's like a 80% chance you're going to do 75. There's a certain percent chance to do. Man, the bonds are saying you need to cut rate. So it'll be interesting to see what happens. We got earnings next week. We really got to pay attention to that. This could be a change. There's a lot of negative. I mean, a lot of negative things out there too. Like there's a new sticky icky variant that's like crazy contagious, and people are getting COVID left and right. It's not even news anymore, though, right? You barely even hear people like the news doesn't really talk this time around. Like it's crazy. Anyway, let's get on to Quant. I know a lot of people are eager to talk about Quant. Let's take a look at Quant. Actually, what I would like to do is watch a 2-minute video on Quant. I did not queue this up. I watched this. I did a lot of, well, I would say I didn't do a lot of research, but I did some research on Quant yesterday trying to figure out what's going on with this rug pull. Don't miss the Bitcoin rebound. Of course. And, all right, first of all, George, you need to stop showing yourself in thumbnails with no shirt on. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, that's great that you're, look at this. Like, come on, bro. No one, like, come on. Come on, dude. There's nothing that important. Oh my god. You're not going to catch me doing a thumbnail without a shirt. I'm not going to put you through that hell. I've been watching a lot of like these people just eat tremendous amounts of food. I don't know why that's a thing. And then eating hot peppers and ghost peppers and shit. Like I'm going through that phase again. There's a lot of really bad YouTubers on Quant just trying to chase some clicks. All right, let's watch this video. It's a short 2-minute video. Let me know, make sure you can hear that good.
Quant Network brands itself as the first operating system built for blockchain technology. With the
Gutierrez in the house. How you doing, brother? Quant, we want to talk about Overledger and CBDC. Yeah, we can talk a little bit about the Overledger.
Ledger operating system, making it possible to integrate multiple blockchains in an all-encompassing and coherent manner.
So this is honestly, when I was talking about my stable coin idea a while back that was way over Retro's head, this is, they're talking about being an entity that's, interoperable between several blockchains. So this is kind of my idea. I'm not saying I was the original person. I mean, this has been around for I want to say like 4 years now.
More specifically, blockchains will be connected to real-world healthcare services, financial services, and so on, with Overledger allowing developers to build so-called multi-chain applications. And to pay for the annual Overledger license and various fees, the Quant token, or QNT, is used. The experience of Quant Network founder Gilbert Verdian in the healthcare sector represented perhaps the main driving force in this equation. Imagine a large number of patients insured by different companies included in different databases and so on. Needless to say, interoperability is not exactly optional. And on a similar note, interoperability is facilitated in a Quant Network world through a layered approach that has been inspired by TCP/IP models the internet itself was built on, with Overledger having a number 1 transaction layer, or as the name suggests, the layer responsible for adding, storing, and queuing transactions. Number 2, the messaging layer, or the layer responsible for crucial information such as smart contract data or metadata. Number 3, the filtering and ordering layer also has a name that speaks for itself, with messages referenced for one multi-chain application or another filtered, ordered, and checked for validity in terms of meeting requirements. Think of it as each multi-chain application kind of having a virtual blockchain. And number 4, the application layer, or the layer responsible for allowing validated messages to generate changes for one application or another. Here, multi-chain applications are essentially isolated from one another. Finally, to end with a simple question and straightforward conclusions, what can Quant Network help with? Well, broadly speaking, anything that requires or would be aided by interoperability, from bringing a wide range of real-world assets to the digital realm via tokenization to helping commercial banks with potential stablecoin projects, or hey, why not even facilitating the access of the general public to central bank digital currencies.
Greg in the house. How you doing, brother? All right. So the first thing that comes to mind when I watch this video, a few things come to mind. A lot of buzzwords. And this reminds me of the Luna video that explained how Terra Luna works. It totally does. I'm not saying Quant is a rug pull. But I would be very careful when it comes to this project. They threw a lot of buzzwords around. They kept throwing around interoperability. This whole, like this right here, this TCP/IP model, modeled after the TCP/IP model. I mean, I think they're just trying to make it look like it's really smart and cool and complex. But yeah, all right. So Quant QNT token is an ERC20. It's an Ethereum. I'm trying to find why. I tried to find why Quant is pumping, and it smacks of a pump and dump right now. Again, I'm not saying Quant won't be something in the future, but right now, in my opinion, the pot odds are way against this bitch. Right? They're trying to build something that sounds very complex. I mean, almost 100% centralized. Everything's gonna have to go through. Like it wants to be this doesn't even really make sense. It wants to be they say they want to be the operating system of blockchain. And we're talking like, okay, so what if this is some crazy interoperability between blockchains? I think they have a few blockchains in beta or whatever. The roadmap doesn't, I don't even know if their roadmap exists. We've taken a look at their website. I hear, word on the street is there's a huge cult following in Quant. So if you're here and you don't like what you hear, I'm just trying to look at this with is there it's on the radar. It's on the radar, but and I'm going to get into why I'm not touching this right now for sure. Now, if you want a degen gambling play, go for it, guys and gals. The Jack in the house. How you doing, brother? This altcoin buzz guy is a scammer. Yeah, I don't know who this is. I mean, is that who this was? Oh, altcoin buzz. Yeah, I would say almost every video I watched on Quant, it was just a bunch of 2-bit YouTubers. Who's this sexy mofo? I mean, I didn't watch anything. I watched a few different videos on Quant, and it's just a bunch of like, the typical pump with titles, and you can get rich and blah. And come on, look at this kid. Like, all right, I'm not being fair. Let's be fair real quick. Or maybe this guy, maybe this 16-year-old is some kind of like the next Vitalik Buterin.
QNT will 1000x in the next few years to make you a millionaire.
Oh yeah, of course.
$1,000 into Quant Network QNT today.
The typical, how much do you need to become a millionaire I mean, this premiered a month ago. How much do you need to become a millionaire in this crypto? Oh my goodness, we're still doing that? Quant. You Quant, be serious. Come on. You guys, this guy is definitely going heavy on them. And because they get views. There's probably a lot of suckers out there that think Quant's the next big thing. Quant crash soon. I'm going to tell you why I think it's pumping.
QNT actually, guys. QNT looking strong right now.
See how he said guys?
A lot of momentum
and not gals.
Pressure. We are currently up.
We got to change that
from this previous low, around $50, and I'm about to give you my exact price targets for QNT.
Oh, it sounds like Carl on the Moon.
Right now,
all right, enough of this guy. Enough of that guy. All right, so Quant, it is pumping. It smacks of a pump and dump to me right now. Again, I'm not saying this token, like, I don't even understand what the token does. They have some licensing model. It's going to be highly centralized. It's going to be the operating system of blockchain, whatever the F that means. You pay a license and you're going to be able to build apps on all these different layers and interoperate. It's, first of all, that sounds like a gargantuan project to build. Apparently they did an ICO. The ICO kind of flopped. That they didn't make a lot of money off the ICO. So I don't know that the team has a lot of money. I couldn't find any news on this thing right now, why it's pumping. A lot of people have been coming in. Look, what do I not know about Quant? If I'm wrong, tell me. I'm all ears. Point me. Pull out your little divining rods and point me. That's what I'm saying. But the reason Quant is pumping, in my opinion, because it's in play. It's got momentum. It's got FOMO. And the more momentum and I don't know what's caused the pump. I don't know what catalyst I don't know if there's some bots out there on Twitter saying great things about it. But let's take a look at the circulating supply. And I think some answers will start appearing. Let's see. Gutierrez looking for Quant under 40. They have an operating system similar to, for example, registered patent. Yeah. I've read all that, but is it actually functional? And what does all that have to do with the token? Like, how does the token have what is the value to the token? It doesn't make any sense. Sounds like vaporware. Yeah, I think so. We need a real capitulation in the market. Like, I would like one. I would like a defining capitulation that just says, yep, that was it. Time to ape in. Right now, it's a little bit like, was that it? We're not sure. All right, let's look at Quant. You Quant, be serious. All right, it's up, I don't know, like the last 7 days. What is this bitch up? Rank number 40, it continues to climb. Look at the circulating supply, 13,413,000. It has a lower circulating supply than Bitcoin. So just because I said this has a lower circulating supply than Bitcoin doesn't mean that this is going to the price of Bitcoin. This just means it doesn't take much to move this up or down. Again, there's no news on this thing. Right now, as far as I know, I haven't found anything that says this thing is even close to existing. This could, I'm not saying it is a rug pull, but this could be a huge rug pull. And if you wanna ape in and gamble on it, go for it. I'm not touching it. I mean, it does have listings on Coinbase and Binance. I don't think you can get listed on Coinbase without some due diligence, but again, I just hear a lot of people talking about Quant, and I just keep hearing the same things. Oh, Quant, it's the OS and blah, 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 blah. It's all the same things, right? And time again in crypto, people, and I've fallen victim to this before too. You just listen to what like this YouTuber says or what this news article says, and you don't really do the due diligence. You hear enough people tell you that all these great things, and then you're like, oh, and the price is going up. It's just a perfect recipe for FOMO. And after the fall of Luna, I've decided that I'm really, unless I just feel like gambling from time to time, which is possible, I'm not really investing in cryptos unless I really understand and think it has a good chance. Now, in a bull market, you can get a little risky and you can get into momentum and things like that. And you can play around a little bit if you want. But in a bear market, which we're in right now, but you don't know when it's over either. Like last time, we thought we had it licked. We were sure that we knew when we were going to see the end and we were going to be able to get out. Guess what? The markets humble the smartest traders out there. They humbled us again. The shit ended before it should have. I would say in most people's opinion. Plus we had the summer, it was a very weird last couple years for trading. And we got caught with our pants down, as the expression goes. You know what I'm saying? So going forward, I'm going to do a lot of the principles that help me be good in stock and option trading as of late. And I'm going to start, using a little bit more common sense when it comes to crypto. All right, let's see what we got. Quant news. I mean, nothing. There's nothing. What? The only reason this thing's pumping is momentum. Again, I don't know if a lot of people are talking about it on Twitter. And it's got a low float. It doesn't take much to move this bitch around. It does not take a lot of buying and selling them. Maybe there's some stuff going behind the scenes. You're being manipulated by Quant themselves. I don't see any evidence that this thing is even a viable product. Period. Like, tell me something new. Tell me what I'm missing. If you're hardcore Quant, I'm all ears. Too much talk, no action. Yeah. So the big talk is Quant. I have zero FOMO in this. It's not this thing. Who knows, man? This thing could pump to $1,000 with the low float it has, easy. But you want to gamble? Go for it. Throw some money at it. I'm not touching it. What is this? This thing pays dividends? Oh, I'm on TLT. Oh my goodness. Is TLT still up? Yep, TLTs. When TLTs are rocking. All right, yeah, this thing, it did catch a little bit of a wick yesterday. It'll be interesting to see what happens. I mean, if you want to try and chart this, there is quite a bit of support and resistance here. It did kind of go up against that. So I guess it's in play, right? It's in play. So if you want to play it, go for it. If it comes up to this again and then breaks out and back tests it, I guess, I wouldn't be buying this because it seems like a good product. I would just be in this because it's in play and I'm a degenerate. And right now I'm being very protective of my capital because I've been taking it on the nose a little bit. All right, let's see what's going on with crypto in general. All right, Bitcoin's coming back down. It was over 21,000. Ethereum's at 1218. The market's still green a little bit. Harmony's been doing really well. Polkadot's doing pretty good today. Let's see. AVAX is down a little bit. Matic's down a little bit. ApeCoin's down a little bit. Let's see if the futures are changing at all. I think the peak market opens FOMO'd out. Probably going to fade the open a little bit. So the open, the NASDAQ, and the futures came up pretty hot. They may pull back a little. They may flatten out. They may go up a little. It's probably going to be a pretty boring rest of the day, pretty boring rest of the weekend. I wouldn't expect much. And honestly, I mean, I'm going to try and follow this advice myself. It probably won't work out very well. I'm going to try and not look at crypto, you know, the price of crypto over the weekend, not look at the price of Bitcoin. The thing probably isn't going to do shit all weekend long. Trade between, maybe get down to like 19, 20, 19.9, 20, maybe go up to 20. Yeah, it's gonna trade between like 19,800 and, you know, right around 21,400. That's all it's done for a while. And that's what happened in the last ones. We're still eking out the bear flag that is played out nicely so many times. 1, 2. We're still working on the third one. So if you think the bear flag's gonna play out, maybe this bitch does get back up to like 21,800. Maybe it doesn't get all the way. So if it were to get back up to 21,800 and then go back down again, I'd be a little nervous on that one. These last two playouts did take, let's see, about 108 days on that one. There are only 34 days on that one. And I don't think we're at about 31 days on that one. So this one did very similar, right? This last one, it doesn't mean it's going to happen again. You know what I think about charting. It just, all right. So it did get, I mean, this does look very similar so far. So this last time it did wick up and almost touch, but it doesn't mean it has to. It doesn't mean it's going to play out either, right? It doesn't at all. You can always find these common patterns in charts. And again, people always say Head and Shoulders, 60% of the time it does this. Based on what? Are we basing that? I want to, no one do due diligence on this shit, right? Based on what? Based on back testing and nonstop back testing of the S&P 500? Based on, does that really fit in Bitcoin? An asset that's been out for 12 years? A falling wedge, 67% of the based on what? Back testing on every different time frame for since the dawn of time on every asset? Or, you know what I'm saying? It's all fugazi, right? All right, enough about that. Let's move on to Evoverse. I'm excited. I did not know the mint happened or the hatching happened. I have no idea how to do this. Let's see if we can figure this out. Getting a little hot. So hot. All right. Fifi Fobaggins, Chobaggins posted his eggs. I'm not going to lie. They look pretty cool. I don't understand how the hell you guys missed out on the boys. Like 2020, everyone's doing nothing but staying in and watching TV. And the two biggest nerds in the channel are like, oh, I'm not going to watch this show that everyone's talking about. And I think was show of the year in 2020. And they wait till now. I just don't get it. Spoiler alert, season 1 was great. Season 2, and then like it ended strong. And then season 3 for the most part was really good too. So it's definitely a good show. All right, let's figure out, was this on Harmony? I think this was on Harmony Done. Nope. Is there an Evoverse channel? I mean, what idiot put this Discord together? Projects. All right. One Evoverse. These look pretty cool, dude. Like, I'm surprised. These look really cool. Again, I have no desire to play this game, though maybe that'll change. What is this? What's a carcoid? A flint? A Venus? I don't like, I see a lizard. I see like some wolf, some jackal. And what is what is some, is this supposed to be like some kind of jellyfish or something? Or is this an ability? You got 3 of them, Chill Baggins? All right. Let's see if we can figure out how to do this. Reveal time. I have no idea. What's going to be required here? That's interesting. Has it always done that? Right here where it, is that new? It's weird that you can see it in both spots. All right, I'm assuming I have to go to the hatchery. Is this the right place? Egg incubator, Menton. What the hell do I do? Is there instructions? When hatch. Now, how do I walk into the market? You will find Harry the Hatcher. All right, I should have been able to figure that out without coming over here. Incubate. 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 Oh, I could have. Oh, you know what? I need to reject this. I can do 5 at a time. What's going on? All right, I'm going to reject. Incubate. I'm looking forward to talking to Casca. I'm sorry. Hopefully you didn't get taken for a lot of money on Juno. We want full details on that, Casca. Did you have a ledger? Time to reveal your new Evo. Eggs. So what does this mean? I have to wait? If I have to wait, I'm going to be so mad. Do not try to hatch. Well, how long does it take? It probably doesn't take that long. There we go. I cannot believe I'm so excited about this. I don't even... Pokemon is such a foreign thing to me. You have no idea. Am I going to be sucked into the Pokemon nerdom? Congrats. Now what? I can't interact with anything in here. Probably. Oh, hey, what's this? Holy shit, we almost missed it. That looks ugly AF. Oh my goodness. Oh, so I think I'm disappointed. I don't think there's any kind of like rarity or anything though, right? This looks like some kind of tank. 40 defense, low attack. I mean, I guess I don't 42 attack. Maybe this is some kind of like speed slow, seem slow, hit points seem kind of low. I guess. Let's compare it to Chill Baggins. All right, 20, 15, 40. Yeah, all these numbers. All right, next. Eh, that one looks kind of cool, I guess. Oh shit! This looks like a high DPS. 50 attack, 50 speed attack, and 45 attack speed. This little sucker might be something. I don't think any. Oh, this is 20. Yeah, 23. You would think this little dude would have some attack speed to him, but even he's slow. This guy, I wonder if did this guy not have many hit points? Maybe that hit points 20. I mean, this guy looks like he could be brutal. 46 defense. This guy looks like he could be a baller. 27 speed. Are you kidding me? You guys were kicking my ass in DeFi Kingdoms. I think I'm going to be kicking your ass in Evoverse. Oh yeah, let's get it on. All right. I guess that was it. Let's see what's going on. Prices over in Harmony 1 and this Evoverse. I am looking to get back into this yield farm, but man, this price is just not letting up at all. Watch it over the weekend and see. I mean, this thing pumped up over on 8. It's coming down right now though. On the 15-minute, looks like we're finally starting to see a little bit of a pullback. If we could get down, man, I need to get back down to here before I want to get in. All right, Fira 32 cents, Trank 0.02, Night up a little bit, wasn't it? Like 0.02 yesterday, something. HFIL's up a little bit, Clooney's up a little bit, Jewel 15 cents, Crystal 23. I think those are about what they were yesterday. Bitcoin at 28. Man, I thought I wasn't gonna have enough time to talk about stuff today. I'm already kind of done, boys and girls. We can wrap this up, I guess. You guys can get your guys and gals get your weekend started. I can go get my Walmart run in. So speak now or forever hold your peace. Otherwise we're going to do a quick wrap up. Seems like a slow, boring morning. Futures are back up again. They're pumping again. So we might see a move in Bitcoin, I guess. The 10 years down. I kind of wanted to play that. I kind of want to short that. Wonder pairs. So go long that S10Y. No, go short the S2Y. Go long the S2Y. And go no, wait. I want to go long the S10Y. Because I think those are going to go up. because it's inverted right now. The yield curve's inverted. So I think the 10-year is going to go up and the 2-year is going to go down, just being a contrarian play. Let's see if I can put this on. Pairs orders have additional execution risk. Each order all right, I'm not going to do that. I think I'm going to send some money over to this account so we can start having some fun with this bitch. Just came back from my meeting, so I think I missed some Quant Evo talk. Yeah, bro. I mean, Quant's pumping for no reason. It's a pump and dump. It's got a low float. You can definitely go back and check that out later. Evo, we just hashed my eggs. I got a couple baller players. It's been a boring morning. The chat has been pretty inactive. I'm struggling. Bitcoin's pumping. The market's looking pretty good. It's Bitcoin. Let's do it. I want it to go up to this and then get the dump over or do something. You know what? Dump or pump. I don't care. I'm just so tired of this market. Like, I could see it going anyway right now, to be quite honest. Just because I say something doesn't mean it'll come true. You missed me saying I don't understand. Pokemon. I know Pokemon. It's something I've never done in my life. I don't understand what I'm looking at. I don't understand what I'm seeing. Am I going to be sucked into becoming some kind of Pokemon super nerd now? I mean, honestly, I don't feel like it's a game I would enjoy. But I don't necessarily have to enjoy the game to enjoy doing it. You know what I mean? Like, a bunch of us have it and it's fun to get on and battle and do shit. Maybe I do end up enjoying it. You know what I mean? But it's nothing I'm super excited about in general. Like, I'm more excited about Evo versus Potential than most other projects right now, because they are what looks to be building out a decent project. It's getting some momentum over on Avalanche. The NFTs actually look pretty freaking good. Let me see if I can find it. I don't know what. Oh, here we go. I don't know how you can look at these again, though. This is really weird. Let me do this. How do you look at your Evo? How do you look at your shit? Harry the Hatcher. You go to this. Can you see it here? Oh, you can still. Oh, I think those are only giveaways. I don't know if you can still mint. Looks like there might be a few left to mint, but those might be for something else. Mine's grayed out, but I don't have enough Evo to mint. I don't know how you can look at. Oh, maybe. Yeah, he's asking the same thing I did. What the hell is this? Fifi said lame. Yeah, it is. I don't like that. Is kind of lame. How do you view these shit? I was listening to the Scoop podcast. We got something for you, Retro.
Good for you. And how
They
was
said
it?
they were focusing hard on fun first games. Of course. They're going to tell you things that sound like it's a good idea. Because master of the obvious, the games need to be fun. But I do not have this thesis that people don't really look for fun here. Why the fuck would I play fun blockchain games when normal games? Yeah, I mean, eventually, you know, they're going to come together. But I don't think it's anytime soon. I don't even know if they can pull it off in the next, like, 2024 bull run. The games take a while. Let's see. How do you... Is there a way to look at these things again? Like, how do I? Oh, here. All right. Calm down. Can I not rename myself too? Is that not a thing? I swear every time I look at my profile, I think I have a different name. Can I go to the director? No. Investor? How do I'm getting so frustrated. Let's see. Looks like a lot of people are having blank shit. There's another one. Some of these look really cool. It looks like there are some left to mint. It's $200, man. If you want to mint, I'm not saying it's a good investment. Come on. Let's see how helpful this chat is. Yep. I guess it just minted out according to the chat, but I don't know how you can look at your eggs. No one's really answering. Go back over. Holy shit. I mean, you would think there would be some place in here to see it. Is it like completely closed now? Oh, this is freaking annoying. Yeah, this thing is blowing up. All right. I don't care that freaking much. I'll come back. Oh wait. Yep. They're having problems. All right, everyone. One last quick look. Bitcoin pushing 21,000. Have a good weekend. I may or may not stream this weekend. Love you all. Peace.